What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. So as you can see, I'm not standing in front of the car. I'm actually standing in my backyard, and this is my house in the back. And I want to tell you something. I will be standing in front of the car at one point in this video, so worry nothing, but I have a surprise for you. So as you know, in September 29, 2022, Hurricane Ian came through Florida, causing an extensive damage to properties and a lot of other things. So as you can see, my house in the back, it still has a bunch of shingles missing. I think they're coming in 2 weeks to actually replace the roof finally. I have no fans. There you go, the fans blew off. This is actually a new trampoline, which I ended up buying after the hurricane took the first one. And then the tree that you see, the tree stump over there, that was like laying right over here. So a lot of damage to people's properties, changed people's lives. And a lot of people don't realize that it actually caused damage to about 100,000 vehicles. So a lot of them were fully submerged, floating in the water, as you can see on some of the videos, and some of them were damaged lightly. And I done something that I thought to myself that I will never do in my life. I actually bought one of them. I started researching right after hurricane, where I was passing by a Copart lot, and I've seen rows full of vehicles and the trucks coming in and dropping them off. And I go like, well, maybe that's going to be an opportunity. Well, I bought one, but guess what? Later on, after I purchased it sight unseen, I found out that this vehicle was actually registered at Sanibel Island, which is the hardest hit area in the United States. Well, hopefully I did not buy the most expensive driveway decoration that there is. Well, if you want to find out what that is, we're going to get to this vehicle, but I want to show you how we picked it up. Check it out. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm driving to get my car. It's exciting, scary at the same time. I'll tell you why. Guys, it's still pretty dark outside. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I have my friend Sean that's going to be helping me out getting this car out of the Copart yard, and we're going to take his truck. Check this out. We're going to take this beast and grab a trailer on the way, and we're going to pick it up. So it's exciting. Here he comes. What's up, Sean?
Yeah. Morning.
This guy's picking up the trailer to load it up, or we're going to be on the way. We have almost 2 hours to get to it, so. And it's finally getting light outside. I mean, he's pretty good. Look at this. Check this out. It's a one backup operation, and we're right there. You've done it before, I take it, right?
Absolutely.
All right. We'll be on the way. Here we go. Driving. Check this out. Check this sunrise. It's awesome. Through the fog. Really pretty. Be on the road for a while. I don't think the camera does it justice how much fog there is out there. We are almost here. Check this out, guys. 1.2 miles away. And we still can't see anything with this fog. IAA, catastrophe operations. That's an IAA. You see the boats over there? Mm-hmm. It's a lot full of boats flooded out of the Hurricane Ian. This is a lot right there. Look at this. All the RVs, boats, cars. Oh my goodness. You can't see it through here, but check this out, guys. Wow. I should open the window and get it up there. I think that's here.
You've arrived at your destination.
We missed the turn.
Yeah.
There's another one right here.
This is where it told me about.
Yeah, this is no out gate.
Alright.
You have to go into the next one over there.
Okay.
For pickup?
Back out too because the tractor's going back.
Okay.
What'd you say?
She said you have to go through the next one over there.
So now I had to do accept conditions mark as arrived. Appointment has been marked as arrived successfully. All right, we're gonna be waiting for them to load it up. Now guys, this is where the Hurricane Ian cars are at right now. 4 side-by-sides, golf carts, RVs, boats. Look at this prestige boat. Holy moly, this is a yacht. And rows upon rows of cars, vans, SUVs, RVs, pretty much everything. Crazy. They're anticipating over 100,000 cars were flooded and during Hurricane Ian. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff out here. And those cars are going somewhere.
Hey, my truck's gonna need an alignment. It's a new F-250.
Yeah. You know, just in case it wasn't enough flooding to get those cars flooded, another rain, and they're gonna be double flooded. Can we get a discount on the double flooded car? I hope you can see this. Woo.
No reason to grate the roads or anything, huh? All girls thinking the beat.
I don't think they've seen that much traffic. Here's a VAD Z06.
What are they gonna do with all this shit?
I wonder if they have a special row of an exotic vehicles. That would be so cool to see. See all those loaders working out there, the forklifts, picking up those vehicles. Unbelievable.
We're just supposed to keep going?
I have no idea. Look at that NSX. Look at this. I wonder how much that's gonna go for. That's on top of flooded. It's got some damage too. There's BMWs, Mercedes, Toyotas, Mazdas, everything. That's behind one. Check this out. The gift is coming. How many cars do you think are there? Like 10,000 more? 20? More than 20,000? I agree. It's not only cars, it's like everything. Well, I don't know how long it's gonna be before they actually load it up. Let's check out this beast. Look at this, man. It's nice tires. Look at this trailer. Hopefully, I know it's gonna be big enough. When they bring it, you'll see what it is. Yeah, me too.
Unfortunately, yes.
Been here for 2 hours waiting
Almost two
for
and a
the...
half.
Yeah, 2.5 hours. Waiting for them to actually even get to us as far as getting this car. It's ridiculous. I'm getting impatient. After a long time waiting, I think we're finally getting somewhere. There it is. They finally picked it up. I can't believe it. It's been 3 hours, over 3 hours. by the time they actually brought it over. So now you know what it is. It's a Jeep. I bought a Jeep Wrangler 2010 Highlander package. I'm gonna show it to you once it's in the driveway and take a quick look. I want to check out a few things. They're gonna load it up on the trailer here, and after securing it and tying it down, we're gonna be up and running very shortly. There's only one thing left to do. I bought it and it said that it run and drive, which means that the engine would turn over and the vehicle would move on its own. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully that's true. That's gonna alleviate probably one of my biggest worries on this truck. How cool is that? I like how they're putting it on there, and those loaders are working there constantly. There's several different trucks all around, as you can see in the background over there too. So let's take a quick walk around. The first thing that I did is I actually walked over to it and stuck my hand underneath the seat to check if the bottom was wet. According to the auction, it wasn't really submerged or anything like this. It was in the water. And here's on the other side, I'm going to show you water level, what they marked over there so you can see it. There's a little bit of damage, but I think that's happened at the auction. Well, nobody knows, so you can't prove it, and that's the water level. So, I mean, it didn't really get up too high, and that's why I pulled the trigger, because with all the Jeeps and the off-roaders, they actually have most of the electric stuff up on top. Now, here's the moment of through. And he started it, it moved. It's awesome. We're gonna do the rest at home. Let's get on the way. It is 1:48 p.m. Now mind it, I left the house at 5:30 in the morning to go pick up this Jeep that was about an hour and a half away. Now we ended up being in the Copart lot for about 3 hours, just over 3 hours, for them to bring us the vehicle. I don't know what's going on there. I'm not going to speculate on it, but I think there's definitely priorities that they have, maybe enhanced with some monetary, values that they give to the gatekeepers and which cars are getting up front. Anyways, well, this is the Jeep up front, and we're going to pull up in the driveway in just a few minutes. So from 5:30 in the morning, and I think we're going to be home at about 2 p.m. We're going to be at home. So finally, this journey for today is going to be over already, almost, at least. I just got to get it in the driveway, and then we're going to go from there. Straight down the ramp?
He's an island boy.
What's that? It drives.
Power windows?
And it drives too.
It drives.
It does have a check engine light on, so we're gonna check this out. But hey, look at this. Look at this little island thingy here, and not bad on the
Your
interior.
wife should love it.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Check this out, guys. The guy is back in the driveway right here, right behind me. And I gotta tell you, one of the things that I was worried most about is my wife's reaction, as I didn't tell her that I actually bought a car. Not to mention that I bought a flooded car. But, when I did tell her, I think she understands. She seemed, pretty comfortable with that. She started packing right away, so I think she wants to check it out, and we're going on vacation. Let's see where we're going. And there she is. Right in the back. Oh, she's all packed up. That's pretty cool. Hey, hon, where are we going?
We are not. You are.
I'm going
These
where?
are your bags.
What does that mean?
You can take your Jeep.
Take my Jeep where?
Bye-bye.
Hey. What does that mean? I think I misread the signs. Did I do something? Hey, let me in.